Okay, ladies, today we are going from thin to full. Yes, as you can see, my client does have some significant hair loss here in the front and at the top. However, she has been experiencing a lot of hair growth. Look at this hair growth. She used to be absolutely bald all the way around, but look how her hair is coming back. Look here at the top. Her hair follicles are waking up, ladies. She does have some fuzz here at the top when it was absolutely clean. Nothing anywhere. So, ladies, it's very important to be patient and to be positive, and your hair will grow back if you put in the work. So today I am going to be doing what? Some crochet braids. Yes, this is going to be a crochet braid method that you have never seen before. This is a low tension, low maintenance, very simple, easy crochet braid style. So I went in and I did the reverse braid pattern. I braided 8 braids total, 4 going up toward the front of her head. And here, as you can see, I'm connecting the ends. I also use a crochet net. I used a crochet net because I need something else to crochet on, as well as make sure that I am not putting too much tension, stress, or weight on her natural hair. So as you can see, I'm braiding this braid going straight across. This braid, I brought the hair through the holes of the crochet cap. That is to help keep that crochet cap steady and in place. Here is the headband cap that we're going to be using. I'm using this headband dome cap because this is the new method that I am going to be showing you today, ladies. Yes, as you can see, it has a headband with a Velcro strap in the back. It's very lightweight, it's durable, and it's breathable. And here is the hair that we're doing, ladies. Yes, this is the new Passion water wave hair. Yes, ladies, it's passion twist with water waves to go with it. Oh my gosh, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. It is a burgundy color. And again, I have some passion twist and water wave mix. So this is the new Passion water wave 20-inch hair. It's made by M&M's. And again, as you can see here, it's Passion water wave. Oh my gosh, this hair was absolutely wonderful to work with. It didn't lose its braid pattern. It was super easy to install. The passion twists are a nice size, so it didn't take but 3 packs to fill her entire head. It's 20 inches long, so it's long enough to be pulled up into a ponytail, which is what I am going to do. So ladies, these crochet braids completely transform her look, giving her confidence back. It was no tension, no damage, just complete results. As you can see here, I'm installing that headband cap that I told you about. It has the Velcro in the back here. Because my client is in the hospital, I do styles that are very low maintenance for her so that she doesn't have much to do. So as you can see here, I put this cap right on top of the crochet cap that we used. And this is that foundation braid. This is the braid that is going to make sure everything stays in place. And oh my gosh, ladies, look at this method that I am using. This is called my sew-in crochet method. Yes, ladies, I will not be using a latch hook to complete this style. I am actually using my weaving needle with some weaving thread to sew these crochets on. They are going to be absolutely lightweight, versatile, meaning she's going to be able to move them to the left, to the right, forward, and back. And there is absolutely no tension on her natural hair at all. With regular traditional crochets, I would have to go in and crochet either on her braids or on the crochet net. But with this method, ladies, I am just sewing these these crochets on. This makes it even more lightweight. It reduces any tension whatsoever on her natural hair, and it is long lasting. Yes, ladies, this is super perfect for anyone who's dealing with thinning hair, alopecia, bald spots, thin edges, or no edges at all. This headband will cover the entire frontal of her head. And look how sturdy these are. Oh my gosh, I am so loving this method. This is the first time you have probably seen this method. I love it. It is just, I am speechless with it. I am going in and I'm doing the front now, making it nice and full. Again, I'm using my crochet needle and thread. I am just going through the pre-loop hole with my needle and thread, and that is what is attaching the crochets to the cap that I am using. Again, this is super sturdy. It's going to be long lasting, versatile, where she can wear it any which way she wants. She can wear it in a ponytail. She can wear it down. She can flip this ponytail to either side. She can wear the ponytail to the back. Again, this style has so many benefits. Again, it's no tension, no damage. It protects your natural hair. It adds instant fullness and volume, and it works for all hair types, even thinning edges, alopecia, hair loss, bald spots. It works for every texture of hair, any hair issues that you may be having, and it allows versatility styling, yes, without any stress. As you can see here, I'm just continuously sewing on the crochets by going in through the pre-loop hole. Yes, that's what I'm doing. I'm using my needle and thread, and I'm going through the pre-loop hole, and I'm just pulling the thread through about 3 times just to give it extra stability, to make sure that it will not move, it will not slide off, it will not shift. This method is absolutely amazing. Again, if you haven't seen it, you've seen it here on West Coast Finest Hair, Tees, Braids, and Weaves. Oh my gosh, this is coming out absolutely gorgeous. Again, I love this color. It's 1B, it's Passion Water Wave. And oh my gosh, look at the end results. Look how gorgeous this came out. Look how full it is. Not to mention the style only took an hour and a half. Yes, ladies, this style only took an hour and a half. So thanks for watching. Please drop me a heart. Drop me some comments below. Stay safe and stay blessed.